on the flip side of crypto. At this point, the whole world is aware of cryptos, watching the pioneer crypto Bitcoin blaze past every previous trade high ever set. The question now is, how would Bitcoin fare in the future? Welcome to Daily Coin, and in this edition we'll be discussing the future of cryptocurrencies, just how big can the industry get in the future, and how much regulations will affect the industry. Before we let you in on some of the most interesting news around the crypto space, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you have not already, and subscribe to our newsletter to be the first to get informed of the exciting content posted every day on Daily Coin. Bitcoin and Ethereum are predicted to rise both in price and in adoption. Despite the recent bull run of the world's two biggest cryptocurrencies, the founder of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, still advocates for an underrated Bitcoin. In his argument, he comments that the younger generations realize that gold is lame and $9 trillion have to go somewhere. Vitalik Buterin is not the only one who shares this opinion. Several other influential Bitcoin analysts, including venture capitalist and co-founder of Union Square Ventures, Fred Wilson. In his Bitcoin predictions for 2021, Fred Wilson wrote, "I believe that governments will respond to all of these economic challenges by continuing to print flat money without restraint and by taxing." Wilson believes that investors would counter this move by the governments by continuing to allocate capital to new forms of money, which includes Bitcoin and other digital assets. Trusted sources put the price of Bitcoin as far as $300,000 in 2021. The crypto market opened the first week of 2021 in a phenomenal fashion, with major markets recording double-digit gains. This recent price outbreak may be the reason behind several predictions. One of such price predictions that may have been influenced by the recent bull run comes from Citibank. The financial service providers predicted in a report that Bitcoin could skyrocket to $300,000 by the end of 2021. Moving on to the issue of regulation, Ripple prepares to face charges leveled by the Securities and Exchange Commission in court. On Tuesday, 22nd of December 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States announced that it had filed a class action lawsuit against one of the biggest crypto projects, Ripple. Ripple Incorporated is preparing to defend itself against the charges regarding an illegitimate sale of the XRP tokens in the first court appearance scheduled for Monday, February 22nd. The case seeks to clarify the ongoing confusion in the United States if Ripple's XRP token should be classified as a security or a commodity. Since the lawsuit was announced, the XRP tokens have seen a brutal price drop. While many are concerned about the regulatory uncertainty of the digital asset, crypto exchanges have gone ahead to delist the token from their platforms. Earlier this week, Ripple Incorporated was slammed with an additional lawsuit by Tetragon Financial Group. The firm is seeking approval to freeze all Ripple's liquid assets until their significant position in the company had been redeemed. One positive about the lawsuit is that it would answer the question of whether the XRP tokens are a security or not. However, many are concerned about what cryptocurrency would be the next to face a lawsuit from the SEC, and how this present lawsuit could hinder one of the biggest cryptocurrencies. However, in other parts of the world, several other jurisdictions such as the UK have already declared XRP as not a security, and some regulatory clarity in the United States might cause XRP to bounce back. Yes, there have been cryptocurrencies that have faced the full wrath of the SEC and came back stronger, including Kick Interactive Incorporated and Block One, the parent company of EOS. With regulatory clarity, the XRP could bounce back, even stronger than it previously was. Vaccines for the coronavirus are being administered at a large scale worldwide, which might lead to a breakthrough in the prolonged battle against the pandemic. When the news of a successful coronavirus vaccine broke a couple of months ago, Bitcoin initially saw a slight plunge, with the expectations that investors would move their assets from the safe haven of cryptocurrencies back into the traditional stock market. However, this has proven not to be the case, with BTC and other altcoins seemingly reaching new ATH every other day at the beginning of 2021. Coronavirus is still plaguing the world. The traditional global economy might not recover as fast as many hoped after the coronavirus hindering all industries, including crypto. The global lockdown put cryptocurrencies to their first real-world test as an alternative to traditional fiat currencies. While it initially plunged along with the traditional economy, it quickly bounced back, and with the growing acceptance of Bitcoin as digital gold, we might be at the start of a new economic age. Amid the global economic decline, the cryptocurrency market hit a $1 trillion value. The cryptocurrencies reached another milestone this week, surpassing the $1 trillion mark for the first time in its 12-year history. Bitcoin represents just south of 70% of the total market cap, making it by far the most superior cryptocurrency. With the growth of decentralized finance and cryptocurrencies over the last 12 months, we've seen plenty of deep-pocketed investors showing more and more interest in Bitcoin and smaller altcoins. Bitcoin has already gained 24% in January, after gaining 300% in a roller coaster 2020. Ethereum, which is the second largest cryptocurrency, has not been left out of the news. The Ether traded for over $1,200 a piece for the first time since 2018, gaining roughly 860% over 12 months. 2021 will be interesting. As the two leading currencies continue to grow, seemingly without any imminent resistance, everything is in place to make 2021 a very interesting year. More eyes, especially those of institutions, are drawn to Bitcoin and the crypto sphere in general. The crypto ecosystem is young compared to other established markets such as commodities, retail, pharmaceuticals, precious metals, and the like. 2021 will be an interesting year, and we are itching to see how government regulations will shape the future of the new industry. How do you think countries around the world would go about regulating the crypto industry? And how do you think the future will look like for Ripple? How do these price predictions measure up with your expectation of Bitcoin? Comment below and subscribe if you haven't, to stay up to date with all the latest happenings around the crypto space. And once again, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.